How to fix incorrect email or password Miniclip 8-ball pool. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So first of all, you want to go ahead and check your typing. It may sound obvious, but double check for typos, especially uppercase letter, extra spaces or autofill errors. You want to go ahead and type it manually. Step 2 is to go ahead and reset your password. You want to go ahead and open up any browser, and then in the search bar simply search for miniclip.com/recover. Once you're inside here, tap on the first link and then enter your email, and Miniclip will send you a reset link. Make a strong new password and try logging in again. If you have originally signed in with your Facebook, Google, Apple ID or Miniclip ID, try logging in using those instead. If you switch login method, it might look like a new account. If all else fails, you want to go ahead and simply open the browser. In the search bar, you want to go ahead and search for support.miniclip.com and submit a request and include your player ID and email. And that is simply how you can fix incorrect email or password in Miniclip 8-ball pool. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.